Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we've got a few bits from Aliexpress what I want to share with you. Like I normally do, I'm going to show you the price that I paid in the bottom left hand corner, and I'm going to leave links to everything in my description box. So should we just crack straight on and take a look what we've got? I found some real bargains, so let's get on with it, shall we? So first up we have got some teeny tiny little bee charms. Look how small they are. They're so cute. Saw a design ages ago where someone had used some of these in gold, and I've been looking for them for so long, and actually I had already found them, but when I come across them ages ago I thought they was a lot bigger than that, and I thought they was the wrong ones, but it turns out they're actually the right ones, what I was looking for. Really nice size, aren't they? So these are a pack of 10, so we've got them in silver, and we've also got them in gold as well. Cute. We've got some handcuff charms. These are a little bit bigger than what I was hoping they was going to be. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use them or not. Maybe if I'm doing a super duper long set, I might get away with them. But yeah, a kind of set this sort of size is not going to work. Look. Way too big. Way too big. But I've got an idea in mind for these that I want to do very soon. So yeah, I wanted to grab those. But not only did I get them in silver, we've also got them in the rainbow colours as well. How cute are they? I suppose you could use them actually as a dangly charm. So you could have one bit on your nail, and then you could have the other bit hanging off like a dangly. Couldn't you? Could do that, I suppose. So kind of have it like that, so it dangles about. You could do that. But I think the set that I've got in mind for these, I'm going to do a really long set anyway. So I'm hoping they're going to fit. I love the colour of these. Look at that colour. Beautiful colour, aren't they? Gorgeous. Love them. Not sure if I will get around to using them, like I say, but we shall see. Hopefully I will. Oh, then I come across these. Guys, a pack of 100. 100, you know. And they are a really nice size. Look at the size of these. And they've got like an Aurora finish on them as well. And they're slightly curved on the back. Look at the size of them. I really like them. Can you see that Aurora kind of effect on them? I really like them. I think they're really cute. Just something a little bit different. Not seen anyone with them, so thought we'd grab them. Especially a pack of 100 as well. So you've got purple, red, light pink, yellow. I like that light blue colour. That's a nice colour. Like an aqua blue. I think that's all the colours. Yeah, I thought they was a little bit different. Ooh, sticking with charms. Check these out. I bought 2 packs of these actually. I think these were a pack of 50. I'll let you know in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen anyway. But I'm sure they were a pack of 50. But there's quite a few different varieties of charms in here. So that's why I wanted to get 2 packs. Because I wanted to make sure I got a good selection. So you get silver and gold. I think as well you can buy the gold and the silver individually. I've just gone for a multi-pack. These are well cute. Really nice size as well. So you get little teddy bears, gold and silver. You get the YSL in gold and silver. You get the little Louis Vuitton symbols. Where's that one gone? That one there, look. That one. Then you got the Louis Vuitton logo. Again, you got those all in gold and silver. You got these little kind of don't know what you'd call them, these kind of bit like drippy hearts. Gold and silver. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. So yeah, you get the teddy bears, you get the YSLs, you get the Louis Vuittons, you get the hearts. I like them. Can you see them very well? They're really cool, aren't they? Really cool, I like them. I like them a lot. And then on the same listing, I got these as well. Now these are really cute. I really like the effect on these. So you got like little padlocks. You've got these hearts. These hearts remind me of kind of Minecraft. Look at those. They're so cute. And I like the colours. So you've got like a kind of opal effect. That heart's cute. I like that one as well. They're all like, oh, look at that one. That's cool. They're like a little bit like shell or precious stones. Say probably more precious stones because obviously you've got the opal. I really like them. They're cute, aren't they? Oh, and they sent us a free gold striping tape as well. That's nice, thank you. Talking about striping tape, I bought these. So we've got silver, gold and black. And the fine is really, really fine. I'm not keen on these striping tapes because if you get it wrong and then you go to try and move it, it never sticks down as well as it does the first time. So I'm hoping these are going to be better at sticking down. Because it's not very often when you stick striping tape down, you get it right first time. So yeah, I'm hoping these are going to be a little bit stickier. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh, this guys is a supersized stamper. So you get your stamper and you get the scraper as well. So this is so you can make stamped images bigger and smaller. This is a really cool gadget. So you can use it just as a normal stamper. You can take that off and just use that as a normal stamper. I am going to do a video on this actually very, very soon, but I'll give you an idea of what it's like. So if you want the image bigger, you apply your stamping polish, scrape it, stamp it, and then you twist this up. And if you watch that stamper head, it starts to dome out. Can you see that? So it domes right out like that, and that is going to make your image bigger. Now, if you want a smaller image, you apply your stamping polish, scrape it, have the head right out like this, stamp your image, then screw that back down, and that will make the image smaller. Really cool little gadget. I can't wait to see if that works. There is a company that's brought out one of these, and they're quite expensive. So I'm dying to see if this is as good as the other brand. So we'll definitely do a video on that very soon. Right, these next few items, I went a little bit crazy trying to find Flakies. So I've bought a few different ones. So I've got these ones to start with. And these are, they don't look much, do they, when you look at them like that, but look at when the light hits them. They are beautiful. Really, really pretty. So we've got those, but I still don't think those were the ones that I was looking for. I was looking for, they're like fire opal flakies, people are calling them. I'll stick a picture on the screen now of the flakies what I was looking for. And yeah, I don't think these were it, but I can still see me using these because they are really, really pretty. Then I went for these. These definitely are not the right things. Again, still really, really pretty though. I think these would be good for doing like different gemstone nails and stuff. They've got a lot of colour in them. But again, still I don't think these are the right ones. And then I found these. Now these were a little bit dearer, but I think these are what I was looking for. I'm hoping. So I got 3 different colours. I got 005, number 3, and number 4. I'm guessing that's just 5. 3, 4, 5 I think I went for. Now I think these are the right thing. Let me get them out of the pack and show you properly. Hang on. One sec, guys. So this one is number 3. Now can you see the difference? I can see the difference in quality already. If you look at them compared to them, these are more like mylar, a lot thicker. This is like ultra flaky. It flakes down to nothing. If you look around this rim here, can you see it flakes down to literally nothing? So that's colour number 3. And yeah, I think these are the things I was looking for. This is colour number 4. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. The only thing is with these, they get everywhere. And then we've got number 5. Oh, you don't get a lot of number 5. Look at that. That one's pretty much empty. Look at that one. Oh, what's going on with that? Why is that so empty? I don't get why that one's so empty. But look at it. It is really unusual, isn't it? Wow. Beautiful colour. So yeah, I think I finally found the right flakies. Thank goodness, because that has been doing my head in. Also got one of these from the same store as well, which is a colour changing pigment. Ooh, that's pretty, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful colour. This is a thermal colour changing pigment. Beautiful colour. And I think, if I remember rightly, it is a reflective as well. It's beautiful. Really, really pretty. Right, we're down to the last item now, guys. And the last item is... well excited for these. Oh no, I've got 2 items. What am I on about? Actually, there is 3 items, but 2 of them are very similar. So we've got these. I forgot all about these, guys. I'm a little bit gutted about these because you're not really going to be able to use them in the same design. Look at the difference in the colour of the gold. This one is a really yellow gold, and this is a really light gold. I actually thought they were silver in my normal light in my nail room. But now I've got them under the recording light, I can see that they are gold. But yeah, completely different colour. Look at the difference. So I'm not really going to be able to use them on the same set, am I? But I do like them though. I think I've got every single Louis Vuitton logo now with these as well. Right, and then the last 2 items are these. Well excited for these. So, I don't know whether you guys have seen people using these. But you use them with jewel forms and you can create some really, really cool designs with these. I've got a few more different ones of these coming from Temu any day now, so keep your eyes out for that video. We've got a whole different variety of these, and we've also got the jewel forms coming from Temu as well. So I'm going to show you the different things you can do with these in a video very soon. But that is a little sneaky peek so far. So that is everything, guys. That is everything. So I hope there's a couple of bits there that you're interested in. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.